Well, hi everyone. We are at the beautiful Longwood Gardens and we are headed to two places. We're just going to take a beautiful walk, and the first place that we're going to go to is the Meadow. And isn't this beautiful? We'll just take a quick peek out into the pond and see if there's anybody out there. And there's a bunch of geese just hanging out, enjoying this beautiful warm day. It's October and it's about, I don't know, 72 degrees. It's gorgeous out. But we're going to take a walk. The first place I said we're going to go to is the Meadow area, and it's just this beautiful open space of natural meadows. So we'll just walk around there and check out the beautiful fall flowers and plants and scenery. And then the second walk that is in this video is going to be the complete opposite. We're going to go to the forest and take a woods walk. I thought the transition of meadow and forest would be really cool. And plus, I wanted to go and just take a walk in the woods because I know it's not going to be long now until there's no leaves on the trees. So I just wanted to go and enjoy the woods here one more time because I know the next time I come, there won't be any leaves. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. And look at the sky against the goldenrod. This is beautiful. If you come to Longwood Gardens, this meadow area I don't know how many miles of walking paths there are here, but it's beautiful. And these colors are just amazing right now. And there are bees galore everywhere here at Longwood. It's crazy how many bees there are. And it's good, though, to see all the bees, but I guess they're getting their last little bit of nectar before all the flowers disappear for the winter. This is just so gorgeous. I'm so happy to share this with you. I hope you're enjoying this, and I just can't wait to see what's up around the corner. And I think these flowers are Queen Anne's lace. They remind me of my mom. My mom and I would always pick wildflowers together when I was growing up. And then I did that with my girls. I have 4 daughters, and I would take them when they were young. They would love to pick wildflowers. And here it kind of opens up. You can go left or right. And we're just going to go to the left because we're going to go kind of swing around to the top and go to the woods after the meadow. But this is just amazing. It's so pretty here. And these plants look like they're just dancing, enjoying the day, the last little bit of warm weather. They just look really happy. This is just awesome. Now we're at the top of the hill, and I didn't film walking up that hill because I was pretty winded. It's a pretty steep hill, and I have some issues with my knees, so I was huffing and puffing. But if you come to Longwood, there's so many places to walk around here. You'll really get your exercise. I already have like 13,000 steps, and I'm not even finished the day yet. So every time I come here, it's always between like 12 and 17,000. It's crazy. Isn't this pretty though? They have the bird feeder or the bird houses all over the trails here. So I know the bluebirds like the open space. I think that's maybe what they're trying to attract are the bluebirds. So that's really cool. And now we're headed down towards the forest. And if you need to get away from the hustle and bustle of Longwood, because sometimes it gets pretty crowded, this is an awesome place to come any time of year. It's beautiful anytime. And it's always so quiet and peaceful and just beautiful scenery. And I love the purple against the yellow. It's so beautiful here. I just can't get over how gorgeous this is. I'm just amazed all the time how beautiful nature is. And this is just one of those days. It's just, really spectacular scenery and, just gorgeous. And we're almost to the path that leads us to the woods path. I just wanted to come and just check these out. Isn't that neat? And here's a big patch of these purple flowers. I don't know what these are, but they're so pretty. And right down here somewhere, I'm keeping my eye open, right down here to the right is a little path that will lead us to the woods walk. I think they have it labeled as a forest walk. I always call it the woods walk, but I think Longwood has it labeled as the forest walk. And these are neat seed pods. I have no idea what kind of tree this is, but that's really cool. And here we go, the forest walk path. So this little path is right off of the Meadow path. And this will also bring you to the one treehouse in the woods. So this is so pretty, isn't it? And what a contrast from the Meadow area. And they have these tree stumps all around this forest walking path. So if you need to take a break or whatever, you can just have a seat there. And there's the sign, Forest Walk, Meadow Garden. So I have to change the battery in my camera because it's going to go dead any second. Okay, fresh battery, so we'll make it through the walk, no problem. I brought 3 or 4 batteries, and this is my last one, so I'm glad we had enough battery to do this because this is one of the last things that I wanted to do today, and I'm just so thankful that it didn't run out because I really, really wanted to record this with the Meadow walk, just for the differences in, the meadow, and then now you have the woods with all the leaves, and I didn't want to miss the forest because it's going to be gone, so soon. So isn't this beautiful though? And in this forest walk, they have tons of trees that are labeled. So it's pretty cool just to stop and see what kind of tree it is. And there are some gigantic trees in here. There's lots of huge poplar trees. I've never seen poplar trees so big. And then here's another little seating area with the tree stumps. So it's really just so gorgeous here and peaceful. And the path is so nice with the wood chips. So it's just a really tranquil spot to take a walk. And this is a gigantic poplar tree. I'm sure this camera's not going to show it justice, but it is huge. I wish they would say how old it was because this thing has got to be old. It is so tall. It just goes way, way up there. This is an awesome tree. And it has an empty spot in the trunk down at the bottom. I hope it's not rotting. That would be a shame. There's definitely some really old trees in this forest walk. It's pretty cool. And I hear voices, so that means we are coming to the trail's end, and I'm sure the voices are coming from the treehouse, which is right up here. If you turn right off of this little path, the treehouse is right up there, up a little bit on the left. Well, I am so happy that we got to come out and take these two walks. Let me know which is your favorite. Did you like the meadow walk or the forest path? I love both of them. And I just hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed this. It was really beautiful and just a great day to be out in early fall. So, whatever you're doing, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so, so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.